Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, we will understand the drawing environment and drafting and different views, how to place the different views in the drawing environment and how to control the views. Let's start. File, new, drawing. Actually, there in the SolidWorks, there are three environment or three templates. Part is the default template in which we create the part or model in three-dimensional part with the help of the sketches. Assembly, the different parts which we create in the part environment, we assemble in this environment. In the drawing, we create the different view with the help of this drawing environment or the drawing template. Okay, I am selecting this one. This is the default part, is the default in which we create the three-dimensional model. Okay, with the help of the sketches. But in present exercise, we will discuss only about drawing environment. So I am selecting this one and this one. Now this window comes when I select the drawing. So there are the different sheet sizes. You will see here different sizes here. This one. If you select only this one, then this size, different standard sizes. Okay, ANC, etc. I am unchecking, and this one. I am selecting A2 size. If you select this one, for example, ISO A2 size. A2 size means width of the sheet is 594 and the 420 is the height. 594 is this one. Okay. If I select this one, you will get a title block here. Okay. If you select this custom sheet size, now you can decide, you can assign the sheet size as per your requirement, whatever is the value. Okay. But in this way, you will get a plain blank sheet only. Okay, you will have to create a title block. I have made a separate video especially on the edit sheet title block. Okay, you can go through. I'm checking this one standard, this one display. I am selecting A2 size, not custom size. So size I am selecting. You can select A3, A4. A4 size is 210, width is this one. I am selecting, but A2. And with the title block. Okay, and if suppose you want to select the sheet you have created in this way, where you have created drawing as per your require, as per customized. Okay, but we will see in the next part of with the help of this one. Okay, but I am taking A2 size sheet and this. Okay. Now this window comes here. Now here we are in the drawing environment. This comes here, model view. Now browse. Now we will first we select the part for which we want to create the drawing. Select the browse. Whichever part you have made here, whichever part you made. Suppose I made this and this one. This or this one, suppose this one, and okay, I am selecting any part. Okay, this window comes here. You will see there are the different views here. If you bring your cursor, this one, this is the front view, this is the top view, this is the isometric view, and this is the, if you want a single view, you can click and brought it here. At this time, this is the front view. Okay. And suppose you want to create more than one view, so you click this create multiple views and select the required views. This one, and this one. I am selecting four views: top view, front view, right view, and isometric view. You can also select the trimetric view, diametric view. Suppose you want to insert the dimensions automatically, you click this one, design annotation, and this one. Next is in the bottom you will find the display style. If you want the hidden lines visible, this one you can select it. If you don't want hidden lines, then you select this one. Okay, and this is the shaded with edges. If you select this view, then you will get the view with shaded edges. This is without edges, shaded only. Okay, I am selecting this one. Later on, I will explain this one. This is the hidden line visible. Now I am using sheet scale. with the help of use custom scale, you can customize the scale as per your requirement. Okay, now I am taking sheets scale and hit right button. So these four views are appears, and the dimension automatically appears here. If you manually you want, you can place these dimension properly, allocate this one in this way, and this is the way. And suppose any dimension you delete it, you can delete it, which is don't required for, and this one this way. Okay, you can this one. This is the this one. This is the front view, this is the top view, this is the assembly. Suppose you select any view, this one, and in the display style, suppose you want this, click this one. Now this view is shaded with edges. In this way you can bring this one. Okay, if you want any view to delete, select it and delete it. Yes, this window will come and click delete it. Suppose you want to delete this view, select it, right click, delete it, delete. Yes, this view will be deleted. In this way, any view you can delete it. Okay, suppose you want to annotation, you want to assign the dimension manually, smart dimension, and this one you can, this and this one you can give the manually dimension, you can assign this one. In this way you can assign the dimension in this one manually. Okay, and suppose you first we will understand section view. How we will find the section view? Okay, in the drawing, this is a section view. Suppose I want the section view. This is our top view, and this is the there are different cutting line. This is the vertical, this is the horizontal. Okay, suppose I want vertical, this one, first one, and you click on the center point, this one, and this small window pops up, click, and this one, this is the section view. Okay, and this one, this is section view. In the section view, if you want to control this section, click this lines on the double click, and this window comes here. Uncheck this material, and you want to increase the scale, so the gap between the lines will be closer. And you okay, and if suppose more denser, it will be lines. Okay, in this way you can control. And here you can solid, hatch, non. In this way you can, suppose I am taking hatch, and you can different section view, concrete. Suppose this is the concrete, and this one crosses, metals, this one. In this way you can decide this one. Now these are the angles. Suppose any view, this one. In this way, different material you can select it here. Different view you can select it. Marbles, for example, this one. And here you can change the angle. Suppose this at present these angles system has assigned the 0 value. Suppose I take it 90 degree. This one. In this way you can check. In opposite direction, and after putting the value, plus enter. Okay, layer, you can give the format. It will lines will be dark blue, the dark black color. In this way you can give the section view. Suppose section view, and suppose you want this section view horizontal, and click this one, and hit right button, and this one. This is the section. In this way you can bring the section view in this section. You can flip the direction of section. Suppose you want to flip the direction this way, this reverses. And if you want to change the name of this view, suppose double click, you can suppose take it C. You can see, you can click. In this way you can change the view name of the views. C. Okay, in this way you can. Suppose you want to add more sheets here. You want to add more sheets here, or this one. You want to delete this view. Select it. Right click. Select the view. Select. Right click and delete. Any view you can delete in this way. This, select it, right click, delete. You can delete any view in this way. Select it and right click and delete it. And suppose in this sheet you want to add any more part, you want to add it. Model view, browse. Suppose I take another part here. And suppose I take another part, and this is the break view, auxiliary view, aligned view. This one. Suppose I take this one, aligned view, this one, and this part. This window comes here. Suppose you want more than one view, you want to bring this sheet. You click this one, create multiple views, and this is a front view. This is the top view. This one, this right view, and this one. And this comes here. These are overlapping. Right click, delete it. I am deleting. Okay. So I want to add, suppose you want to add more, one sheet more. This one. Yes. Select the view. Right click, delete this one. I want to add one, suppose more sheet, this one. This is the sheet. This is the left hand side, you will see one sheet is added, this one. If you want to change the size of the sheet, an angle of projection, so right click on this one and properties. You will see scale, you can change it. Name of the sheet you can change it. Suppose you want to change it ABC, for example. ABC. And this is the first angle and third angle projection. And from here, you still can change the size of the sheet from here. I have taken that this size is A2. You can change A3 and apply changes. Okay. And ABC, and suppose I take is A3 ISO and this one, apply changes. Now size this changes. Now I want to bring more views here of another part. So in drawing, model view, this one, browse and aligned with this part. I am selecting this one, this, and create multiple views. This one, select top view, front view, this one, this four view pairs, this one. Okay. If you want to insert the automatic dimension, you can insert it, but I am not inserting this one. Or you can insert, you want to bring the dimension, and you will hidden line visible, you want this one. Use this sheet scale, and you want to change the custom scale, you can change the scale. Suppose I want to change the scale. Suppose I change 1.5. It will become more larger. This create button, this is okay in this way. And suppose this one, right click, delete it. This view will be deleted. This one, right click, delete it. This will be deleted. In this way you can view delete. Suppose this view is linked with this one. If you move this one, another will also move. So if you want this should not happen, so right click on this view, right click, alignment, and break alignment. This, right click, alignment, this one, alignment, break alignment. This is the parent view. Alignment, break alignment. Now you can move separately this way. In this way, you can break the alignment. Okay. Suppose you want this select view, in display style you want the view with shaded edges, you can select it in this way. You can this one. Now we in section view you will find one is the this one, aligned view. Aligned view, select this one, select this one. First is this center point, this one, second is this one, and third is this one, and hit right button and this one. This is the view. This is the aligned section view, this one. If you want to reverse the arrow direction, flip this one. You can flip this one. It means you are seeing the object from right to left side. This arrow indicates. If you flip direction, it means the object is being seen from the after cutting this section this way, and this one. This is moving in. This is linked with this one. This is not moving here. If I move cursor on the right side, this is not moving. Right, the select view, right click, alignment, break alignment. Now it can be moved here. In this way, you can break the alignment of this one. Okay. Now one more view, detail view. Detail view, you will see near my cursor there circle is coming. It means you can draw the sketch. This one, I am drawing the circle. Click this one. Click it. This is the detail view of this one. And if you want to change the scale, suppose you want to reduce the scale, double click on it and suppose you can want scale 1, shift this 2 and hit right button. This becomes smaller. In this way, you can change the scale of this one. This way, you can also change it from here. Double click on the view, custom scale. Custom scale, suppose you want to change from here, this one, 1:4. In this way you can change it. Okay. In this way you can change the scale of the view. Double click it and this scale, and suppose you want to change it 2:1, this one, this becomes larger. Suppose 1:1, this becomes too much smaller. In this way you can change the scale of this one, and later on you can give the dimension here, annotation, smart dimension, this 10, this one, you can change the dimension from, and this way. Right click view and delete it. This view deleted. Okay. Now, suppose you want to add more sheet here. This one, more sheet, another sheet appears here. Okay. You can right click, properties, this sheet. You can change the scale of the sheet. You can give the name of this one, change the angle of projection, and you can still change the size of the sheet from here. Suppose I want A2 size sheet, this one, and apply changes, the sheet changes, size becomes changed. Now you want to bring another view. Okay, drawing model view, this one, annotation, drawing annotation is sketch, and this one, drawing model view, this one, this model view. Select another part and I take auxiliary view, this one, auxiliary view, this one. Now you I want to bring more than one views. You select this one, create multiple views. Select this one, this one, this one, this one, this four view I am selecting. Or up, you want to import the dimension, select it, okay, and hidden line visible, you can select it, use sheet scale, okay, and you can also click a high quality of the view and hit right button. It means four views are coming here. Suppose you want solid, select it, and in display style you can this one. If you select this one, this is without edges, this is edges, and this one in this way select. Now I will create the auxiliary view in this way. In this auxiliary view, actually, if you cannot go in addition, smart dimension go, you can't measure the dimension of this one. This one, okay. This is not a circular portion. So for that, this one, suppose I delete it, okay. Now I will create a one auxiliary view. Auxiliary view is perpendicular to this edge. Annotation, drawing, and this auxiliary view, and select this edge, and you will see this is perpendicular. This is auxiliary view. Now you can annotation, smart dimension. Now you can decide the dimension of now this will be the dimension of the circular hole. In this way you can this, and you can increase this one. This is the auxiliary view. You can flip the direction in this default arrow. This one you can flip the direction. If flip the direction, this one, you can flip the direction of that. You can change the name of the view. Suppose F, you want F, you can note it. This one, you can give the name of, you can change it. Okay, auxiliary view is perpendicular to this edge. This one, this is the auxiliary view. Okay, suppose this, right click, delete it, delete this one, and select, right click, delete it, this one, delete it, select it, right click, delete it, and this one. Suppose you want to add more views of this view. How? Select this one, drawing and projected view, and you bring your cursor in the direction vertical and isometric, right side, select it, projected view in this way. Select the view, projected view, and this one. In this way, you can create more views with the help of the projected views. Okay. Now I am creating another sheet here. This one, you can add this one. Another sheet is added, sheet 4. Right click, go in the properties. You can change the scale, name of the scale. Suppose I take DEFG. I want to change the name. You will see here name will be appeared here bottom, and first angle, third angle you can change. And suppose you want to change the size of the sheet. This, suppose you want to change A4 size, A3 size. This one, apply changes. Side become A4. Okay. Now drawing, go model view. I want to bring another part. Suppose this is the drawing view, break view, this one, and this top front view, front, and create multiple views. Click this one. In this way, if you check this create view, you can bring more views. Select front view, top view, I say this and this one, and these four views. If you want to automatically import the dimension, you can import dimension, design annotation, this one. If you want hidden line visible, this one. Without hidden line visible, use sheet scale. Custom, you can change the scale of this one here, but I am taking use sheet scale. And view high quality. If you select this high quality, the objects become sharper. This one, this view comes here. And suppose you select this view and change this display style. If you select this one without edges, this one is this one. If you select this one, this becomes in this way. This is without hidden lines. If you select this one, these are the hidden lines visible. This Okay, and select this one. This is this one. Okay, this way. Now we will understand in this break view. What is break view? Go in the drawing break view here. Break view. Break view here. This is the orientation of the break. If you want to take the vertical or direction, actually break view is used if your part length is more than the drawing sheet size. Then you can reduce the size of the drawing. I am taking orientation horizontal. This horizontal break line style, you can change it from here. Suppose I take this style. This horizontal, you can take it. Click, delete it. I am deleting this one. And this is the parent view. If you move the parent view, the other view will be this one, moved this way, because this is the front view is the parent view. If you move this one, other view will be moved in this way. Okay. Suppose break view, this break view, and suppose you take vertical view, cutting line, vertical direction. This is the horizontal, vertical line style. This one. Select the view. For the break view, first you select the view. Okay. Now you select the orientation. I selecting vertical orientation, this one, and style, this one. I am selecting this style, this one. Select this view, break view, horizontal. This one, this, and this, and this one, this one. This break, you can gap, you can reduce it. Suppose 5 mm, you can reduce it. This one, and you can take this style, this style, this style, any style you can change. In this break view, actually reduces the length of the product in order to accommodate in the sheet. Okay, in this way. Suppose this is this one, right? Select it, break view, and suppose I take this style. This is the vertical orientation I am taking. Select one point and another point. This one, the length of this becomes shorter, but actual length remains same. If you measure annotation, smart dimension, this one, actual length will be same. You will see. This is 250. This one. This represent the object is shortened. Length is short, but actual length will remain same. So suppose you will see this length is same, but only in order to accommodate in the sheet, it becomes smaller. Okay. Suppose select this view and right click, and if you unbreak, select, delete it, delete. Now the object becomes in original position. In the same way, select this view, select in the view. When you select the view, then this boundary will be this dotted highlighted. Right click and unbreak view. This is unbreaking. Now select it and delete it. Line will be deleted. This one. Now it becomes this one. In this way, you can bring the different views. Suppose this view and this view, this one, detail view. We have understand this one. But in the drawing view, we have taken section view, auxiliary view. If you want, suppose section view, remove section, detail. I have understand broken out, break view, crop view. Okay. In this way, you can create the different views in this one. If you edit this title block, to right click, edit sheet format, this one. This you can edit this one. You can edit this title. I have made a separate video on the especially this one. You can go through that video. Okay, suppose you want to edit this one, double click, and you can change it. This one, double click on that. This one, you can bring the size. Suppose you want to reduce the size, this becomes smaller. Color, you can change it here, right? That color, okay, and bold it. Italics, you can make it. Underline, you can make it. In this way, you can editing this title block, okay, and later on, to come out of this one, when you edit the title block, the views becomes invisible. Okay, in order to come out of the edit sheet format, you click this one or right click and edit sheet here. Now the view comes here. Now you cannot edit this one. In this stage you can. When you have to edit the title block, you have to click right click, edit sheet format. Now you can edit this one. Okay, and in order to come out of this edit sheet format, you click this one, or in the sheet, right click and edit sheet. Now view comes here. When you edit this title block, this view will not be visible. So in this exercise, we have learned about various sections, various view: auxiliary view, projected view, model view, section view, detail view, and one is also crop view. We will understand about this thing in the next section, broken out view and the crop view. Okay, I hope you would have enjoyed in my exercise. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.